Asia-Pacific markets mostly rose on Friday as investors monitored ongoing tensions in the Middle East and the impact of restricted shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. Despite a fragile two-week ceasefire between the United States and Iran, the conflict, which has lasted for more than a month, led to the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, a key global energy route. Although a ceasefire is in place, traffic through the waterway remains largely restricted. Iran has stated that it would reopen the strait if attacks on the country were halted. Reports also indicated that Israel agreed to the ceasefire, following a decision by U.S. President Donald Trump to pause attacks on Iran earlier in the week. However, tensions remain. President Trump warned Iran against charging fees to oil tankers passing through the strait, saying it should stop immediately if such actions were taking place. Meanwhile, Iran's parliamentary speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf accused the United States of violating the ceasefire agreement. Oil prices continued to rise amid the uncertainty. West Texas Intermediate crude increased by 0.79% to $98.66 per barrel, after crossing $100 earlier in the session. Brent crude also rose by 0.43% to $96.33 per barrel. The gains came as shipping through the Strait of Hormuz remained minimal despite the ceasefire. In equity markets, South Korea's Kospi index climbed 1.68%, while the small-cap Kosdaq rose 1.14%. Japan's Nikkei 225 gained 1.75%. And the broader Topix index edged slightly higher. Japanese Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi said the country plans to release 20 days' worth of oil reserves starting in May. As of April 6, Japan had reserves sufficient for 230 days. In Australia, the S&P/ASX 200 index declined by 0.31%. Chinese markets also saw gains, with the CSI 300 rising 0.6%. Economic data showed that China's factory gate prices increased for the first time in more than 3 years, while the Consumer Price Index rose 1% in March compared to a year earlier. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index advanced 0.88%. Overall, markets reflected cautious optimism, with gains in several major indices, even as geopolitical tensions and uncertainty around energy supply continued to influence investor sentiment.